Did you know that the Tailorbird is one of the few animals in the world that can actually sew? Using its sharp beak like a needle, this tiny bird pierces holes into leaves and pulls fibers, plant threads, or even spider silk through them to stitch the edges together. It doesn't just build a nest. It crafts a cradle hidden in plain sight. And get this, it even chooses leaves that camouflage perfectly with the surroundings to avoid predators. It's not just smart, it's a natural-born architect with skills that rival human tailors. Now that's a bird with serious craftsmanship. Subscribe now for more wild moments and facts.